Assalamualaikum students, be ready. Para. Some people, for example, have a lifelong interest in getting together sets of books, particularly copies of the first publication of a book, full stop. Others like to buy pictures, and they always hope that one day they will have the pleasure of buying an old picture very cheaply, only to be told afterwards by the experts that it is a true old master and is worth many thousands of pounds, full stop. Such finds were certainly possible in times past, but it is doubtful whether in these days there are many old masters which have been put away and which no one has afterwards remembered, so that they are now just waiting for the day when an expert will discover their true worth, full stop. Too many people have for too long been finding an interest in the buying and selling of pictures to make it possible for such an event to happen often, full stop. Still, people go on hoping, and quite rightly so, full stop. With books, there may be the same hope, semicolon. One day a person may have the happiness of buying an old second hand book for a few pennies, only to discover afterwards that it is a very valuable book indeed, and would get a high price if offered for sale, full stop. There are people who have a deep interest in show business of all kinds, serious or otherwise, full stop. Some people find their interest in the open air life, and they are never so happy as when walking over the downs or through the fields, semicolon. Or perhaps their love for the open air leads them to take a very great interest in the large or small piece of land round their house, full stop. It must be kept perfect, they feel, and very lovely. Such places generally look, full stop. There are many persons, young ones particularly, who find much pleasure in playing records, full stop. They will sit beside their record player for hours, playing over the most recent records they have bought, full stop. For some people, taking an interest in life means keeping up to date in their knowledge of passing events, full stop. They read books and newspapers which keep them informed about the most recent developments in science or in the political field, and in industry or engineering, full stop. At all costs, they wish to be well informed on daily events, full stop. Whatever form our interest may take, it is important to have such an interest, full stop.